Just a few days ago, Tesla quietly released new images revealing the latest evolution in Optimus's arm design. If you weren't paying attention, you might have missed it. There was no press release, no flashy promo video, just a low-key reveal. But the change is significant. The new arm is 25% lighter, dramatically more precise, and capable of finely controlling force at every tiny stage of a task. Picture this. Optimus watches a single how-to video on motorcycle engine repair, picks up a wrench, takes the engine apart, and rebuilds it perfectly. No other robot comes close to that level of capability. As Elon Musk often points out, most robots today are either hard-coded or remotely operated. Tesla's Optimus, on the other hand, learns at lightning speed. Give it a couple of YouTube videos, and it can pick up hundreds of new skills in a day, whether it's tuning fuel injectors or changing spark plugs, without ever repeating a mistake. With Gen 3, Optimus is no longer just a lab demo. It's ready to step out of Tesla's Texas facility and into the real world. But that raises the question, why is Musk rolling this out so quietly? And why the intense focus on perfecting the hands? Welcome to NextGen Theories. So, what makes the Gen 3 Tesla bot so different? This generation has 22 degrees of freedom. Yes, 22. It's getting close to being able to play the piano. It's seriously impressive. One of the biggest innovations is in the new shoulder and arm system. Tesla has replaced the older dual hinge setup with a true ball and socket joint, integrated with a harmonic drive. This offers a full 3 degrees of freedom, allowing the arm to move in virtually any direction with high precision. It can reach into tight spaces and operate from angles that were previously impossible, dramatically increasing its functional range. At the heart of this new joint is a compact harmonic drive that delivers high torque with minimal backlash, all while reducing actuator weight by over 25%. It also uses regenerative braking to recapture energy, improving overall efficiency and extending battery life. Built-in sensors track force, torque, and motion in real time, allowing millisecond-level feedback control. This means Optimus can shift effortlessly from handling delicate parts to lifting heavy loads. It adapts to each task with seamless precision. All power lines, data cables, and pneumatics are routed internally, which protects critical systems and makes the bot easier to maintain. The outer shell, made from a lightweight magnesium-aluminum alloy reinforced with carbon fiber, further reduces overall weight and inertia, giving the robot even greater agility. With this improved design, Gen 3 can now lift up to 7 kilograms with the same smooth motion that earlier versions managed with just 5 kilograms. Task efficiency has jumped by 20%. The new sleek exterior and compliant joints also make it safer to operate around people. In short, this isn't just a hardware upgrade, it's a major leap forward. It positions Tesla Bot Gen 3 to handle everything from high-precision manufacturing and logistics to fieldwork and home assistance with incredible skill. This could become the new benchmark for scalable, human-centered automation. Optimus is powered by Tesla's advanced neural network and vision system. Thanks to this technology, the bot can learn complex tasks just by watching them once. And if it needs to relearn, it does so incredibly fast. It sounds almost unbelievable, but the idea is that one day, you could own an Optimus, show it a video of your favorite musician playing a song, and it will break down every hand movement, chord, and rhythm. Then, it could teach you how to play it yourself, step by step, like having a personal tutor. This ability to learn by observing and immediately apply that knowledge is groundbreaking. To make all this possible, Optimus doesn't just need a powerful brain, it needs exceptional hands. Dubbed the best robotic hands in the world, they're what make the bot truly useful. A robot can still do plenty of tasks without legs, but without hands, it's little more than a fancy shell. In reality, many of the jobs humans perform don't even require standing or walking, just great dexterity with their hands. That's why Tesla has made them such a priority. While Optimus currently walks at a modest 2 miles per hour, its real power lies not in speed, but in its incredibly precise and capable hands. These hands are what truly set Tesla apart from other robotics companies. Elon Musk has emphasized that Optimus's hands are among the most labor-intensive parts of the robot to engineer. Every actuator and sensor was built from scratch, grounded in the principles of physics. The area from the elbows down has received the most technical attention. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and ultra-sensitive sensors, Optimus's arms and hands are designed for precision. Imagine a robot that can not only perform detailed tasks, but also serve as a vigilant home guardian. Its vision system, similar to what Tesla uses in its vehicles, allows it to detect and respond to its environment with remarkable accuracy. This vision tech gives Optimus the ability to identify and understand everything around it, whether it's navigating around pets and furniture in your home or avoiding hazards in a crowded factory. In industrial settings like Tesla's own manufacturing facilities, Optimus uses this tech to map complex layouts, recognize terrain, and smoothly maneuver through cluttered workspaces, all while maintaining efficiency and safety. So why did Tesla make such a major leap in Gen 3's design? The redesign of Optimus's arms and hands in Gen 3 marks a huge evolution in what the robot can do. In Gen 2, the hands already had around 11 degrees of freedom, enough to surpass most other robots in the industry. Those earlier hands could grasp objects, interact with basic interfaces, and carry out simple household tasks like folding clothes or watering plants. But they still had limitations. They couldn't quite handle delicate tasks with the finesse required. Threads would slip, small tools might be dropped, and many movements lacked the natural smoothness needed for real-world use. They were impressive in a lab demo, but not quite ready for broader deployment. Tesla addressed all of that in Gen 3. Elon Musk has gone as far as calling these the best robot hands in the world. They now feature 22 degrees of freedom, closely mimicking the biomechanics of the human arm and hand. Every actuator and sensor has been re-engineered, now housed in a sealed, waterproof casing that protects the delicate electronics while enabling ultra-sensitive touch detection at each fingertip. This gives the new hands an astonishing range of abilities. The same hand that can twist open a stubborn jar lid can also gently hold an eggshell, thread a needle, or tap piano keys with perfect control, without needing any hardware swaps. Gen 3 Optimus is capable of performing a wide variety of complex, real-world tasks that earlier versions simply couldn't handle. Where Gen 2 could manage stairs, carry trays, and load a dishwasher, Gen 3 goes much further. It can now execute multi-step processes that require simultaneous control of force, fine motor coordination, and real-time sensory feedback. In recent demonstrations, Optimus Gen 3 didn't just take out the trash or fold laundry. It organized silverware by shape and size, carefully trimmed delicate houseplants, and even performed surgical-style stitches on fabric samples. These are feats that would have been unimaginable with Gen 2. What makes all this possible is the integration of advanced mechanical design with Tesla's AI-driven control systems. The Gen 3 hand includes 8 high-resolution cameras built into the wrist and palm. These provide detailed visual and depth information to the bot's computer vision system, based on Tesla's full self-driving FSD technology. Meanwhile, each joint is equipped with force sensors that monitor pressure and positioning, feeding that data back into the neural network in real time. This closed-loop system allows Optimus to instantly adjust its grip and motion to suit the situation. If something slips or an unexpected obstacle appears, the bot can react within milliseconds, adapting on the fly with the precision and finesse you'd expect from a trained human. Beyond just household tasks, the Gen 3 ARM upgrade significantly expands Optimus's usefulness into industrial and service sectors, territory that Gen 2 simply couldn't reach. In factory settings, Gen 3 is now capable of swiftly picking and placing small components on assembly lines, carefully handling fragile materials like glass and ceramics without breakage, and even using standard power tools, jobs that used to require human workers or specialized machines. Thanks to the increased range of motion and enhanced power density in its hands, Optimus can now take on roles in healthcare settings too. It can hold surgical tools, manage medication vials, or assist with basic diagnostic procedures under supervision. This kind of versatility directly aligns with Elon Musk's vision of a humanoid robot that's more useful than a car. With its newfound ability to perform high-precision tasks across a variety of environments, Optimus becomes a true multifunctional assistant, no longer a limited lab experiment, but a practical tool for real-world jobs. And importantly, Tesla has made these upgrades without driving up the cost beyond reach. Using the same 4,680 battery cell technology found in Tesla vehicles, Gen 3 now includes compact, high-energy power modules built directly into its forearms. This eliminates the need for bulky external battery packs, making the robot lighter and more efficient. The internal wiring is streamlined, and the actuator modules are designed with a snap-fit approach, simplifying both manufacturing and maintenance. This design efficiency helps Tesla stick to its ambitious goal of offering Optimus at around $20,000 per unit. This cost-effective design makes it realistic for businesses to deploy large numbers of Optimus bots, whether in warehouses, retail stores, hotels, or elder care facilities. The return on investment becomes clear, not just in novelty, but in actual productivity improvements. What truly sets the Gen 3 arm apart isn't just one standout feature. It's the sum of many small, smart improvements that together boost both performance and reliability. From AI-driven motion planning that can anticipate human intent, to modular joints that can be quickly swapped out in the field, every part of the arm has been engineered to maximize uptime and minimize maintenance interruptions. The result is a robotic platform that can learn tasks just by watching video demonstrations, refine those skills through practice, and apply them across a variety of settings, all while maintaining the precise touch needed for delicate work. In essence, the redesign of the Gen 3 arm turns Optimus from a limited proof of concept into a truly capable and adaptable machine. With twice the degrees of freedom, integrated advanced sensors, and a seamless blend of AI and battery innovations, Tesla has redefined the potential of humanoid robotics. Optimus is no longer just a walking frame. It's now a nimble partner ready to take on a wide range of human tasks and challenges. So, what has Elon Musk said about the production of Gen 3 with this new design? Musk has made it very clear, Tesla Bot Gen 3 isn't just a small update. It represents a bold step forward and is central to Tesla's broader vision, not just about transportation, but about reshaping the future of labor itself. From the earliest public unveilings to internal discussions with Tesla's engineering teams, Musk has described Gen 3 as the tipping point, the version that will finally move humanoid robots out of the lab and into everyday life. He's acknowledged that redesigning Optimus was one of the most complex challenges the team faced. Achieving a form suitable for mass production required more than just tweaking parts. It called for a complete, ground-up rethinking of the entire robot. Every component, every actuator, joint, and wire had to be redesigned with manufacturability, cost, and reliability in mind. Musk has been blunt in stating that the real success of Gen 3 will not be measured in how impressive it looks in a demo, but in the tens of thousands of units produced and deployed in the real world. Earlier this year, Tesla quietly completed the first working prototype of Optimus Gen 3, a machine built from more than 1,000 unique parts, assembled at the Fremont factory. Elon Musk marked the occasion by calling it the version that truly has the potential to handle a wide variety of tasks. He even hinted that a public unveiling could happen as early as Q1, but Musk made it clear, this won't be another polished Investor Day presentation with staged demos. Instead, the Gen 3 reveal will showcase a real product, refined, rugged, and ready for testing in actual working environments. It features waterproof hands, an optimized drivetrain, advanced power systems, and countless improvements that set it apart from earlier versions. While Tesla is constantly updating Optimus, Musk emphasized that Gen 3 marks a turning point. It's the version that moves beyond one-off demos into something scalable and commercially viable. And Tesla's production goals are nothing short of ambitious. Musk revealed plans to build 5,000 Gen 3 units by the end of this year, with parts already lined up to support between 10,000 and 12,000 robots. He admitted that hitting even half of that goal would still be a huge win. Even 5,000 robots is the size of a Roman legion, he joked, painting a vivid picture of robotic legions poised to revolutionize the workforce. He went further, stating that the real milestone would be repeating the feat next year, with the goal of producing 10 legions, about 50,000 robots. Looking ahead, Musk projected exponential growth, between 50,000 and 100,000 units by 2026, ramping up to 500,000 or even 1 million annually by 2027, and eventually scaling to over 1 billion units per year as global demand increases. These numbers might sound extreme, but they reflect Tesla's confidence in its tightly integrated manufacturing system. That system includes gigafactories, in-house battery cell production, and shared components with Tesla's electric vehicles, all designed to reduce costs and boost output speed. Tesla's rollout strategy for Gen 3 is just as bold as its production forecasts. Internally, the company plans to deploy 1,000 Optimus bots this year across its own factories. There, they'll be put to work on real tasks, like arranging 4,680 battery cells and handling materials on the production line. Musk sees these internal deployments as a practical necessity and a strong proof of concept. Running the bots in a 24/7 manufacturing environment will test reliability and performance, while also demonstrating real-world value to future customers. By 2026, Tesla plans to make Optimus available to the public, not just for purchase, but also through a rental program for businesses looking for flexible, on-demand robotic labor. This two-phase rollout, starting in Tesla factories and then expanding to commercial applications, shows Musk's belief that Optimus will first prove itself behind the scenes before becoming a common sight in homes and offices. In his many public comments, Musk keeps coming back to a key message. Optimus Gen 3 is Tesla's most important product. He argues that while cars sit idle most of the day, Optimus will be active for hours, helping with household chores, assisting in manufacturing, providing care, and maybe even supporting missions in space. He envisions a world where everyone owns at least one robot companion, and where Tesla's value could soar to $25 trillion as Optimus becomes a part of daily life. His bold prediction: Optimus will eventually surpass every other Tesla product by a factor of 10. Importantly, Musk sees the success of Gen 3 not just as a hardware milestone, but as a systems achievement. It's the result of aligning multiple Tesla innovations: the 4,680 battery cells, the self-driving AI stack, and the company's advanced manufacturing capabilities. So what do you think? Could Tesla bot Gen 3 really become more essential than a car in our everyday lives? Why or why not? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you want more deep dives into Tesla EVs and Tesla bot developments, be sure to hit the like button and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe.